Good morning. It is a very cold morning here in Australia today. I woke up this morning and it was -2 degrees. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna have a nice warm breakfast. Thought I'd do some porridge. Now normally I would actually do the porridge on the cooktop. My partner normally does it in the microwave. So what I thought I'd do is try out a option to do it in the steam oven. See if I can get a different sort of result or similar result. So first thing what I'm going to do is half a cup of oats straight into my little dish here, and then I'm going to put in 3/4 of a cup of water. So I have seen some things on the internet where people put a little bit of sugar, a little bit of salt in there as well. Personally, I have never actually done that. So and I'm going to stick to it. I'm going to stick to my own way of doing this. Okay, so I've preheated my steam oven to 100 degrees, and as you'll see here, it's just pulled up an alarm basically telling me that I need to fill the water tank. So whenever you do a steamed recipe, it's always a good idea to double check first. Obviously, I did not do that. So I will fill that up and be 1 second. Okay, I've now filled up my water tank. So what I'm going to do is step back and release some of that steam out of the oven first before I actually burn myself on it, because it is quite hot. Then I'm going to grab my porridge, chuck it in the steam oven. Now you'll notice I've actually put a solid tray in the bottom of the oven here. When doing a steam function, it's always a good idea to put a solid tray towards the bottom of the oven, because sometimes there might be some residual stuff that might come out and can potentially burn into the bottom of the oven. You'll notice there is already a spot on that tray. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to steam this for 8 minutes. And then we're going to check out the results. Okay, our 8 minutes is up, so I'm going to release the steam out again. And as you can see, looking at the camera, there is a lot of steam. So if you do wear glasses, it makes it very hard to see what you're doing. With that, you then grab your tray out of the oven. And as you can see, a well-textured porridge. So you can choose to add to this a little bit of milk, honey, bit of fruit, whatever you deem fit. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like this video. And if you'd like to see more, please subscribe.